Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can cancel your Prime subscription on Amazon. So what you need to do is either click on the Prime over here, or you can go to your account in the top right corner over here, click, and then go to Prime. And then you will open the same page. Now, in order to cancel your subscription, go over here, click on Manage Membership, and then click on End Membership. Over here, click Continue to cancel. And now make sure that this option is selected, cancel on renewal, and then click on End On and the date of the end of your Prime. And now you should see this message that your membership will end on the next billing date. So this means that you have Prime until the next billing date. You can also see this information over here, how many days you have left with your Prime. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.